Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to submit an SSS Affidavit of Undertaking. This crucial document helps you correct records or claim SSS benefits smoothly. It's essentially your formal promise to the Social Security system, confirming that the information you provide is true and correct. Understanding its purpose is the first step, ensuring your SSS transactions proceed without unnecessary delays. It's a standard requirement for many SSS processes, so let's walk through it together. Before you even pick up your pen, it's vital to gather all the necessary items. Make sure you have your valid SSS ID or any other primary identification ready. Don't forget any supporting documents SSS might require for your specific transaction, like a birth certificate or marriage contract. And of course, a reliable black or blue ink pen is essential. Having everything organized beforehand saves you time and prevents frustrating mistakes, ensuring a smooth process from the very start. Now let's begin filling out the form, starting with your personal details. Carefully write your full name, exactly matching your SSS records to avoid discrepancies. Then, accurately enter your SSS identification number in the space provided. Double-check those digits. Also, include your current address and a valid contact number. Precision here is key, as any error could lead to delays or issues with your SSS transaction. Take your time to ensure everything is perfect. The heart of this document lies in the undertaking section. This is your formal promise, a legal commitment that the information you've provided is truthful and complete. Take a moment to read this specific clause very carefully, as it outlines your responsibilities and the implications of any false statements. By signing here, you're confirming your understanding and acceptance of SSS rules. It's a serious declaration, so ensure you fully grasp what you're undertaking. Once you've meticulously filled out every section, the next crucial step is notarization. You must take your completed affidavit of undertaking to a public notary for their official seal and signature. This process authenticates your document. Before submitting, remember to make a few photocopies for your personal records. Finally, hand in your original, notarized affidavit to the designated SSS branch or office. You've successfully completed the process, ensuring your SSS records are in order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.